Good morning, everybody. I'm in the shop, and today we're back on the gates. So it turns out that it's going to be raining for like the next 10 days straight. So this is my last clear day. So I got to switch gears. I was working on the swing arm for the mini bike, but now it's time to do the gates. Get these things set up and put in place before it starts raining, and then they're going to go off to powder coat, and then we'll see them when they're all done. So stay tuned. We're going to get these things installed. Alright, so here's our building site. We've got to move a couple things obviously, but our first panel, our false panel, is going right here. So I got to remove this stuff, move the palm tree temporarily, and then we'll start mocking this thing up. our swinging gate. If you can't tell, these holes over here are me drilling the holes for the handle on the wrong side. So I gotta take this back. I'm gonna take this back off, take it over to the shop. I'm gonna fix those holes, and I'm gonna re-drill the handle for this side. And then we can stop, or this project will be finished for me. It's gonna go to powder coat, and I'm not gonna post this video until we get it back from powder coat so I can show you guys the finished product. But let me close the gate here, the big gate, and you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. Or you can pretty much see what it's gonna look like. This gate still needs to be adjusted. So this corner of it needs to come up a few inches, and then it'll make it more level with the bottom of the gate that we just installed. But it just needs to come up a couple inches. But yeah, that's looking pretty good. Let me snap a picture of that. Alright, let me go get these holes drilled and all this stuff, get this thing fixed. And then we'll check back in with you guys when this all comes back from powder coat. Alright you guys, the gates are back from powder coat. Let's check them out. They've been hanging here for a week or so. I just haven't gotten over to checking them out. You still got the latch coming that's going to fit in here. It's like this whole big piece made out of aluminum. It's the striker and everything. And then we got the big gate and the little gate that little false gate that we built. Everything looks super nice, for sure. I'm digging it. Let's step back and take a look. He's got a lot more to go. You know, he's going to build some more off to the sides. It's going to get even fancier, but this looks really good. I am super satisfied with it. What do you guys think? Alright, hang on. I got one more treat for you guys. A gate that I built on my property also got powder coated, and I want to show it to you guys. Alright, so this is a gate that I built for this raised garden that me and my wife built a couple years ago when we moved in here. And these are all hand forged leaves. I did these. There's 50 of them on here, I believe. I think there's 50. Yeah, that sounds about right. Yep, 50 hand forged leaves, and then all of these vines in here, they're all hand forged as well. You know, just pieces of round, hammered down and hammered around to make it look a little bit more textured. So yeah, this is a little gate that I built, and part of the deal with doing the neighbor's gate is we got this one powder coated at the same time, and it turned out really nice as well. Alright, so that's it for this episode. We got Steve, my neighbor's gates installed. They went off to powder coat them and got them back. We got our gate here for the raised garden done as well, and they all turned out super nice thanks to the powder coating guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.